Hello team. Today we'll discuss about how UML models and how OOAD models we will see in detail in the projects. Today we will discuss about UML models and OOAD and remaining things. Remaining things. Actually, I was published a journal in the engineering management in the year of 2020, May and June 2020 editions. That is my mini project was submitted to text engineer management. My mini project abstract and unfortunately got selected my abstract later. I went for I went for paper presentation. I went for paper presentation regarding the abstract abstract that is computer based health information system. This is my mini project paper. That is journal paper. This is CBHS. This is the computer based healthcare information system. In this project we are using Java and MySQL database 3306 is the port number, and firstly we are understanding firstly we are understanding the project requirements. Second we are implemented we are using the tools and prepared the UML diagrams, comma, OOAD object oriented analysis design diagrams, comma, and ER diagrams, M is entity representation, entity representation, and third, third one, we are implemented the class diagrams in the projects in mini or live projects. Fourth, we are we are implemented, we are prepared the code and build by using Java Eclipse tool. Fifth one, we are using after build after build we will deploy an IaaS server. Later we will interact with the database using MySQL queries and many more. And one more thing, wait 2 more minutes. Wait 2 more minutes. So this is the many more. So you can submit the project as a submitted the project with my team, Vivek, speaker, and etc. Four members are there to submitted projects. Okay, I will explain each and every detail. This is this is the project. This is the paper title, and this is the my year of journal. This is my journal number, and this is the page numbers. This is the page number 77602 to 7768. Okay, in this is three peoples are submitted. First author is myself, and the second author, and the third author. These are the companies we are published. I am in this company, and these are the companies we are working in my professional life. So this is the abstract. I submitted abstract. See, to abstract I submitted to computer based which give online medicine service to people at a door. Step study will help village people to medicine facility. Doctor is unavailable. Basically, users and patients, all users have their own username and passwords. Patients can log in under symptoms answered by the questions and receive diagnosis and whatever it is means we can prepare. Patient patient create an account and and ask the ask the medicine for the disease and the application delivers the same based on the disease. System will source the will source or displays the display the exact medicine and guide the nearest to doctor or hospitality. This is my project abstraction, and by local doctor to can join the site for viewing correcting the disease and administrator authority to delete the user and relevant information to database. This is the keywords we are using. Unified model language. Unified model language. This is the unified model language. Suppose we can reservation session and go to hotel and a credit card go to hotel and air residence and car residence parking. After the go to residence are the credit and billing and locality programs. This is the travel reservation system in this system, okay? And in our projects, this is methodology. This is the methodology. Methodology means all users have owned their username and password. Patient can log in the site and give the symptoms, answer the question, they receive the diagnosis. Okay, this is IBM project. This is an IBM mini project, and I was explained the things in the final thing. I explained the things in the relevant engineers, those who are those who are experts on this. Okay, and by user diagnose, user get medicine by the local chemist. This is the main intention of the project. This is main intention of the project. Intention of the project. This is the main intention of the project. All users and all patient ask the medicine for diagnosis. By using diagnosis, user get medicine from the local chemist. Okay, this is my journal published by Mattingly Publication Corporation Limited in the month of May and June 2020. Once doctor can join the site viewing the correcting the disease cure, and admin can authority can use and delete the databases like this. And this is we update use UML diagrams. Okay, UML unified model language diagrams and the software development process, our design program, and this project includes UML and software development process. Development process. There are first one is waterfall model. Waterfall model is the first model. Waterfall model. First one is agile model. Second one is waterfall model. Third one, third one is V model. Fourth one is incremental model. Fifth one is RAD model, rapid application development. That is rapid application development or design. Sixth one, iterative model. Iterative model. Seventh one, spiral model. Eighth one, prototype model. Prototype model. Ninth one. These are the most important models in the software industries. This is the most important based on the scenarios. We can use waterfall model or whatever it is. After that, this is the phases. Include require first we need to gather requirement analysis, design, implementation, test. In any projects, in any software projects, we need to understand the client requirement later design the workflows or class diagrams or UML diagrams or ER diagrams and many more based on the diagrams or flowcharts. We will implement the code, implement the business code and build the code code and pass the code to the testers, that is static analysis static analysis testing and dynamic analysis code test. This will happens in the pre and post post deployment the ER file deployment the applications, that is ER in Java, but .NET .NET .dll libraries .dll libraries, it's only kilobytes the size of the .dll file. .dll represents dynamic libraries. and analysis, design, implementation, and test. Okay. After this, you can we can we can use the diagram by using this is the UML diagrams, use case diagrams. We can use the use case diagram. See, patient ask the symptoms and first login and login patient member. We can update a member also seen. After that, get the details. Admin view the patient and whatever going on, it will see and generate the report. See, first patient and second member admin. Patient login, update the details. Patient enter symptoms and relevant to description. Okay. Member logout and a flow chart of the user login. This is the flow chart. This is the flow chart. Patient and the system and the database. This three is the most important. Okay. Patient and the system display the login page and provide the username and password and check username and password to the database. Incorrect, they will send login with a message, display login page with a message, and after that provide username and check username and password, correct username, and display the home page. This is the diagram for the project. After that, this is the thing happens, same thing based on the diagram we can use. After this, diagnosis. Patient ask the diagnosis, give the problem of the symptoms and check symptoms to database and retrieve and display the prescription. And database, we can add the database to the patients and all the things. New user can be added to the database. This is sequence diagram for the doctors. Okay, request update page and display update page. Give answer to the queries and upload database and send the acknowledgement for the database. This is this is the activity diagram. This is my test engineering management journal from the year May and June 2020. This is number. This is the book pages, 8 pages. You can publish the page, registration form and login. This is the flow charts. User enter user details. Check whether it is valid or invalid. Invalid user already exists, it will show valid. Check password constraints. Check password constraints if valid or invalid, throw fill the correct details and successful registration we can use. This is the flow charts we can prepare based on that. After this, enter details, check username and home page, it will displays. And this is the diagram for login page. You symptoms, login and give the symptoms, it's valid, any errors and not found valid, give the prescription, in not found, give the questions. And this is the login page, login and logout, login, error, in get queries and upload answers and exit. And this is the class diagram. Class diagram consists of methods and members. Properties are available. This is the patient consists of patient ID, name, age, and a blood group and symptoms. Symptoms, okay, and a symptom consists of 1, 2, 3 disease. After that, you can use go to the doctor page, doctor ID, and the specialization name and answers, and update the database, and the database into the disease into database. This is the updates, and we can update into the user. Like this we can use. This is the ER diagram, entity representation diagrams. One person is one post we can use patient ID, name and patient last name, age, everything need to be written post. After this, we can use here also symptoms, which symptoms we can use, reports, patient symptom reports. Like this we can give, we can draw the ER diagrams, entity representation diagrams. Okay, and these are the books we have referred these are the books we referred for my project purpose. and database administration Raghuram Krishna. These are the main thing to complete the project. This is the main books to refer the books and publish the my article and prepare the projects also. This is the my journal in the life of 2020 year. Okay, this is the journal. This is the one of the most important journal. Test engineering management and scope also is there. Okay, like this we can submit the paper in the and abstract. Based on the abstract we can select. They will call the for presentation purpose we can present in front of there, and they will you will get selected or not. They will publish the paper. In that we can use server side. These are the technologies: Apache and MySQL, 1 GB and 2 GB data size, and these are the requirements: Intel and 512 MB RAM, and disk space is 2 GB. These are the hardware and software requirements for completed my project. And paper presentation also. This is my paper presentation. See, test admin and 118 Ganesh final. This is my paper publication final. 9 pages like this. This is my overview of the project, and these are like this. You can every project UML diagrams and class diagrams, use case diagrams, and a mini project. These are the diagrams included in the mini project or main project in the software industries. Okay, please share those who are learn in the use case diagrams. How use case diagram I shown already, and class diagrams and entity representation diagrams and use case diagrams and flow charts. These are all comes with software engineering and software methodologies and OOAD. They will cover all diagrams. Software engineering subject covers covers the covers the models 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 and software methodologies, covers the use case diagrams, comma, class diagrams, comma, activity diagrams, comma, flowcharts, comma, entity representation diagrams, etc. Many more. And OOAD, object OOAD will covers the in-depth concepts in-depth concepts related to the software engineering and development perspectives and etc. This is the most things. Okay. Thank you for watching this. Please share to your friends and family members, those who are learning UML